So today I want to talk to you guys about a cool product I saw, and it is called, it's basically a razor pen. I don't know if it's really new, but this is what I'm talking about. And I saw this and I was like, oh my gosh, how cool. So basically what it is a styling razor, and it's stainless steel, and it's like for a DIY for hair engraving patterns, like in your child's hair or for your eyebrows. Now I'm gonna be quite honest, I don't trust myself doing that kind of stuff to my son's hair, and I don't really like all that stuff anyway. He's not at the age where he's asking for it, so I'm not playing with my son's head and practicing with this thing, okay? But I thought it would be awesome for eyebrows. Now, many of you may not know, or maybe you do because my eyebrows are so inconsistent. I'm not a makeup artist, but maybe you didn't know, but my eyebrows are like super thin, so that's just basically hereditary. My mom has super thin eyebrows. I have thin eyebrows. It's not from over plucking, it's not from something like alopecia or anything like that, and it's not anything that I'm doing. So they just naturally, we have thin eyebrows. So I always felt gypped paying like $7 to $12 to go get my eyebrows plucked and waxed, because it's just like there's not much there. Like it does shape my eyebrows, don't get me wrong, it gives them shape, and so that when I do fill them in, it just looks better. But to go every 2 weeks, week and a half to get that done and pay that money, and I barely have eyebrows as it is. No, so I saw this and I was like, let me see if it works. Like, it says it's for eyebrows, but I just wanted to try it and see how user friendly it was. So what I ordered mine from Amazon, it is, and I'll try to insert a picture. Oh wow, okay, Amazon won't let me pull it up. Let's see if I can find it a different way. Okay, so I evidently, the seller that I bought it from either doesn't have it or they're no longer there. I don't know what's going on with it, but I can't find the seller anymore. But I can say that the same pen is available by a different seller. So basically, I just looked up razor pen, and there's one here. The same pen is available from a lot of different sellers. I wish I could tell you the brand of it, of the actual pen. But honestly, I mean, it's not, most of this is not, it's obviously not in English. There are English instructions on the back, but just go search it. This one that I bought was about $15.99. There are other ones that say official pen razor, sharp pen, hair tattoo, and trimming tool. Like this one is from a seller called Magia. Oh gosh, this is so annoying. No wonder. So apparently they've sold out a lot of them. So what I'm going to do is try to capture a picture of the one that I got, but I paid $15.99 for mine. It came in a little clear plastic container. It was about the size of these instructions folded up like this. It had the pen in it. It came with about 10 disposable blades and a set of tweezers. And the instructions say that you are going to insert, you're going to take the blade, fold it over, and insert it to the end of the pen. Now, mind you, I'm clumsy, I'm goofy, and these razors are extremely sharp, even for the most careful, cautious person. So I'm gonna be honest, I put a glove on. This was a random glove that came with something else in the mail. And basically, you see the razor. This is about the size. I had already bent this one, but you're supposed to take this and bend it in half. So I used my glove. Ooh, can you see it? And I bent it in half like this, and then you actually it was the other end. I wore both gloves, which I don't have with me right now, so I'm kind of living on the edge. Oh, oops. I held like one end with the other glove, and then I bent it over. And I wore the gloves because these are they're thin and flimsy, but don't let them fool you. The sharpened edge is very sharp. So then you take it like this, and you insert. Now this already has a blade in it, but where you see it inserted is where you insert it. You push it in, and it tells you to leave about, it tells you the amount of space to leave on the end, and I kind of guessed on this. You can tell which end is the sharp end because it's like beveled. You can tell, you can kind of see it, and you can't see it on camera, but you can see where it's sharpened down. Once you put it in, I've seen other sellers that strongly suggest that you practice with this, especially if you're not really a barber. This is very sharp. So please, 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 if you're going to use it for hair or tattooing, don't just try it on yourself, especially not any children, without practicing first. I took it and I practiced a little bit on the back of my arm, or right here on my arm, because I'm a hairy individual, and I just practiced to see how much, my kids again, how much I need to press down. And I started off very light, and then I kind of just practiced like that. But my ultimate feeling about this, because once I did it on my eyebrows, I love it. It actually is great for shaping your eyebrows. It is great for touch-ups in between. The only thing about this is, because as you can see, this edge is not really going to form a point, which you don't want it to. It's around it to. If you have very defined arches in your eyebrows, the further you press it down, the more narrow of a curve you're going to get. You can get that arch and shave this way, but it's not going to be a cut like that. Like, some people do have super thick eyebrows and they want that. So what I would suggest is you know, go get your eyebrows waxed or threaded or whatever you do. This is great for cleaning them up in between. It's very simple. I didn't cut myself. I didn't feel like I was going to cut myself if the wind blew the wrong way. It is sharp, but it was very simple to use. I didn't do it on camera because I don't have a lot of eyebrows. Y'all might, and I don't have like a high resolution camera that a lot of the beauty vloggers use to get in there. But I just basically cleaned up underneath. I cleaned up a little in here, cleaned up on the edge, and I had no problems. Wiped it down with a little alcohol afterwards, no bumps, and it's all good. So for $15.99, this saves me about, I would say, 3 trips to the or three times of getting waxed or cleaned up, because I would still go to get that initial definition to let a beauty technician or somebody do my eyebrows, but this is a great tool for cleaning it up in between when you can't get there. So again, guys, just go on Amazon. You can look up razor pen. I don't know any specific brands. This is what the paper looked like on the inside again. And I still have this glove on. These are the instructions on the back. There is no brand name. And yeah, so I do suggest you use it with the glove. Other than that, if you have any other questions, let me know. Like, comment, subscribe, and as always, I welcome you all to my channel. Thanks for joining me, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.